I guess we'll go for round 2 then.
Yeah, round 2, Rapids.
Now I'm on the edge.
Of glory.
Because Brett don't fit in the glory hole, and that's why we all like Brett.
Huh?
You can check rules, is it?
I mean, is there any point?
Not really, we know the outcome.
Yeah, it's the same outcome you two would get.
I'm perfectly fine, me.
Doing a proper job, I am. Oh god. I've got a soggy shoe. But that's not a euphemism. Just a fact. She's protected by 30 stone.
That's man meat.
Very generous.
Big meaty men being meaty.
Yeah.
That's talking about crap. Wow!
Even us two, so about us two, 30 stone.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Unless you secretly weigh 30 stone, I don't know for sure.
I haven't weighed myself a while, but I'm sure that's 16, 17.
Oh, we're spinning.
We are tearing as well. No. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, that's going right down my crevice.
That's so long! That's so long!
I have got such a soggy crevice right now. That was thrilling.
Oh no!
I don't even. Oh, right in the shoe. That, like, just for reference, that is a hefty amount of water. I don't think the last round was that wet. Oh.
I'm so doing classic Rapids.
Doesn't really give a true reflection though, does it?
No, but this will, and I can screenshot things off of this.
Just a wave coming up.
Craig, been on the floor.
I already have. Ah!
I mean, it's hot today.
It's because all the weight's this side, that's all dry when we're a kill.
I mean, there is a drain.
Yeah!
Just can't. Gonna need to buy some Asterix socks.
No. I'm paying £12.50 for
some Asterix.
Asterix.
So what have we learned?
Don't do the rapids back to back. How is that such a different ride when we're all in the same seating arrangement near enough?
Science.
I'm an atheist. I believe in science.
That was you're
Look at it.
Oh, it is draining now. So yeah, fun fact, if you do the rapids twice, you get twice as wet.
Should we go for this third time and see what happens?
No, I'm good.
I'm alright for a minute. I think I'll have a beer now. Yeah. That's alright with everyone.
So wet.
Neat.
Moist.
Down.
No, I'm past that point. Come over the chair.
I think this camera's waterproof.
I'm so cold now. No, front's fine.
Non, c'est pas.
Like that.